really late last night, which means we're gonna need a really big coffee today and a shower. Let's do the shower first. Now we're gonna do, me, gonna do my makeup.
She said I need a new hit, girl, a DeLorean. Right, do you hear me? Do you feel me? We gon' be alright. Is your cup half full or empty? Awfully quiet. Don't we get on? Oh, don't we get through? Just a moment.
This is what we're working with. Now, I need to get dressed.
Make yourself comfortable, baby.
Outfit of the day. Urban Outfitters Airy Cabin Socks. Ew, stop.
Like a light.
My best friend's girlfriend.
Oh my god.
I'm still at home. It's New Year's Eve. 'Cause I know that she just stops.
Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna drink my coffee. I just made a plain bagel with peanut butter. I accidentally burnt the other half. I'm just gonna drink my coffee, eat my bagel. I'm gonna watch Friends, eat my breakfast, and then we need to clean my room because holy crap. Okay, I've been lazy for enough time now watching This Is Us. So now we are going to clean my room, get rid of all my Christmas decorations. Let's do it.
Sitting on a cloud in the sky, staring at you in the eye. Maybe I'm a waste of time, wishing you would still be mine. Tell me what I gotta do.
Okay, clean for the most part. I was gonna take down all my Christmas decorations, but I think I'm gonna save that for either tomorrow or the next day. It's the day after Christmas. I can keep my tree up for like a little bit longer. I also have all like my wrapping paper still up here. And there's like little things that I should organize, but my room is clean. That's all that matters. Right now, I'm actually about to go pick up Colin because we have plans tonight. I think we're planning on getting some dinner, so I'll bring you guys along for that and then whatever we do after. Okay, right now, Colin's here. Colin's camera shy.
Don't say that.
We're gonna go get some Chinese food, or actually I need to order it right now. Hi, could I have a order for pickup, please? Sesame chicken, chicken lo mein, sweet and sour chicken, and that's it. Okay, and what was the total? Are you sure you don't want to be in a video? Don't you want to be in the makeup video? You'll do that? Okay.
I'll do your makeup.
Okay. If you guys want to see Colin doing my makeup, he says he'll do that video. So, let us
I'm
know.
gonna finesse that shit. I'll make it look good.
He's winking at me. I can't wink. That was
Oh my
scary.
lord.
A lot.
How many times you got shot?
A lot.
Present to you.
Oh, you know who has these bowls? Aspen and Parker. Yeah, I just showed him Aspen and Parker's videos because I told him we should make a couples channel. Thoughts?
That's a great idea.
Okay, guys, so we watched
Girl on the Train.
and it was good. A little weird, little disturbing, but it was a good movie.
It's c***ed up.
I'm about to go to bed. I need to edit this video and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Found it. Dude Perfect. Do you guys watch Dude Perfect?
You're talking to them.
Like the description below if you like.
Like the
Dude
description
Perfect.
below.